Hey, hold on, bro. That boy kind of clean right now, my boy. Go ahead and do a drip check, G. What's the drip check looking like?
Just essentials. With some ones, man. Careful.
Over here, just getting suited. What's up, my boy? Getting suited up. I mean, getting measured up for the wedding. Big chillin'. Do the dance real quick. So, y'all. 1/29/2023. Room is a freaking mess. But I just decided to do a little project today, so here's what I got. Excuse the mess of the cords, but so over here got my laptop, and I wanted to start streaming in the garage with my matches, and so I realized that, excuse the mess here too, let me turn on the thing. You see those cords right there? So I made a hole like right, like you see where that end is out of blue cord over there? I'm gonna go in there. Excuse me, it's the attic thing, so it's really nasty. But right there, I decided to just make a hole in that. I forgot what that's called right there. To go down and watch this, because there was no Ethernet connection in the garage. So when I stream, I wanted it to be, you know, not through Wi-Fi because the latency and all the lagginess and stuff. I wanted to have a hardwired connection, so that you know, when I stream my matches or something, or just me practicing, it will go smoothly. Let's go downstairs now. So I had it wired. So initially I tried to make a hole just to estimate, because I'm not an electrician, you know. So I just made a hole right there. I know it's ratchet, but it'll do. So right there, it went out there, came down here, that I kind of have a long cord coming out here so that I can stream, put my laptop here, and then I'm gonna get like an external camera. My girl's gonna let me borrow her DSLR camera, put it on there, connect it with a laptop, and start streaming my matches over here, you know what I'm saying? Man, all these junk here, bro, look at this. I got these raggedy cables, man, they're not even, ooh, you don't see the light. Come on, man, focus, bro. Y'all see that connection right there? Y'all know what's in there. So y'all, quick little stream or recording. So right now I'm trying to buy a capture card, which allows me to connect an external camera to my laptop, which then, you know, makes it like a webcam, you know what I mean? So right now there is a bidding going on eBay, so I'm trying to, you know, secure this joint. Originally the price point of the item is like 100 something, and I've seen cheaper ones on Amazon. However, based on reviews and all that, I think this is the best bang for my buck, even though it's kind of pricey compared to the others. I feel like the quality will probably be, I mean, it is better based on what I've seen in my research. So there's a minute and 30 left, and we'll see if I end up winning it. So I haven't put up a bid yet, and there is 26 watchers in this product, so we'll see. Fuck! Hey yo, JNanjoe. January 30, man. Today is one of those days where you really just, well, I really just don't feel like doing shit. I felt lazy at work. And then when I got off, you know, me and my coworker Isaiah, if you're watching this, shout out to you, my boy. But you know, we were just like, man, let's go. We decided to go work out together, did legs. Isaiah said, man, like the days where you don't feel like going, I mean, every motivator, everybody that's on their grind say this. You know, those days where you don't want to go is when you should go. And you know, everything's all sweet, and you know, when you're feeling motivated. However, when you're not, what do? You know what I mean? And today, that's what we did. He did legs, and I felt like dying in there, bro. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I'm on like a deficit, I'm not eating as much, because you know I'm trying to get that body right for the honeymoon, and I just felt weak. I wouldn't say I felt weak. I felt super tired, super sleepy in the gym, but you know we kept pushing, and right now it's like, what time is it? 6:28. You know, I was gonna take a nap, but I just wanted to decompress a little bit. You know, I'm about to go shower, and I might do it like a 30 or an hour nap, or I might just suck it up and you know just play pool and practice and you know edit some videos or something. But yeah, guys, you know what I mean. The days where you don't want to do something productive or you don't want to grind or anything, that's when you grind, because it feels so satisfying afterwards, especially knowing that, oh, you didn't want to do it but you end up doing it anyway. And that's just like going to college. A lot of people don't want to do it. I mean, a lot of people, you know, what was I gonna say? You see, I'm even lost my train of thought because I'm so tired. But I just wanted to speak my truths today, you feel me? Ooh-wee. Hard work, baby, hard work. Dang, that laptop is putting in some work right now. But yeah, as y'all can see, man, I had to pull out my old keyboard because my new keyboard that I got, a Logitech one, keeps on like double typing, and it's just getting annoying. So I just filed a return, and yeah, I had to rebox it and all that. But anyways, I'm almost done with Contagious. Yo, I swear, man, it's kind of crazy when, you know, back then I didn't want to read books at all, but now it's like I'm just hungry for knowledge. Yeah, man, it's so, you know, we always say like, oh, you should read, you should read, you should read. But I feel like it really doesn't click to anybody. Like, you should plant that wisdom, you know what I mean? Or just plant that thought to somebody. But I feel like you just can't force people to read. Like, I feel like they have to seek it, you know what I'm saying? You have to seek and you shall find, you know what I mean? I don't know, I just got into like I always do this thing, I just reflect and all that stuff. And now, you know, like I said, mentioned in my past video, past vlogs, I'm trying to read at least one book a month. Now this year, it's kind of funny, I read like a 200 page book, and this is a month where, you know, I kind of just slacked off in reading, honestly. But I'm almost done with it. I got like 50 pages left, and I will do like a little book review / you know, I read Contagious so you don't have to type thing. And yeah, I'm on page 170 now. 170 now. Tired as hell still, man. Yo, by the way, please wash your, like, separate your red colored clothes to your other colored clothes. Bruh, I really messed up 2 clothes. Well, 1 joggers that I haven't worn yet, you know what I'm saying? I just washed it, and it got messed up with this thing. And I've been wearing this at work and all that, and now I'm just wearing it at home since I messed it up, you know. But little mistakes, man. I keep making these dumb mistakes, and I gotta pay for it somehow, you know. So let's get back to this reading. So y'all, January 31st. Well, I didn't just get off the gym, but went to work, went to the gym, and 6:28 p.m. right now, and I just got done grinding in Smash Bros. I'm trying to get a lot of characters in my profile so that, you know, when people come around, you know, we can have fun. And yeah, and I just want to give y'all an update. I finally finished reading Contagious. Yo, my bookmark, this is a real legit $100 bill, right? I don't know if I showed it before, but I don't know. You know, I was thinking of like a bookmark before, and my girl got me like a fake, like a $500 bookmark or whatever. I think it was, I don't know, but I was like, you know what? This is one of my pool. I made this money from playing pool, you know what I'm saying? And I was like, you know, I got a $100 bill. Let me go, you know, laminate it and make it a bookmark. So I've been using this bookmark for probably a couple months now, or a year. Time goes by so fast now. I don't even know, but yeah. Quick, the best thing about or the main lesson in Contagious is the 6 steps with 2 P's. So look it up. You know, everything is online, so just search 6 steps with 2 P's on Google, Contagious. You'll find out. But gotta keep soaking the knowledge, keep finding truth and all that, and you know, just gotta keep living life. You feel me? Yeah. I know you'll see that. Damn. That's pretty clean though. I know when the year started, I said I wasn't gonna drink any soda, none of this stuff. However, you know, it's either you're in or you're out, and obviously when somebody's birthday came up, I was already out then. I was already checked out, even though, but anyways, I'm not here to make any other rambling. This is the last meal before the death row. Sour Patch and some Coke. So yeah. So I don't know if I said this in my previous video, but I kept making dumb decisions. The end of last year and early this year, and one of the recent dumb decisions and dumb mistakes that I've made is, okay, backstory. So you know those little tiny hotel travel shampoo bottles? My brother had them. He put it on top of, they have like a little tray on top of the toilet bowl. And so, and months ago, I was just like, yo, this is gonna fall here one day, it's gonna flush it. Long story short, I ended up flushing it, got like 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago. And then I was like, that's kind of nasty, you know what I'm saying? Just kind of like it fell on the toilet. It was clean. And I was like, oh, that's kind of nasty, just reaching back. So let me just flush it a little bit, let the water drain, and then I'll pick it up. I flushed it, the shit went all the way out and all the way in. And when it was on the process of it getting sucked in, I was like, oh, I ended up sticking my hand there anyway because I was scared. But I ended up calling the plumbing. They're saying it's gonna cost a lot, so and so. So I ended up just getting a new toilet, right? So now we got a new toilet. A new toilet, you know what I'm saying? Clean water, so
Did you go to Lola down already? Wear your shoes.
Hi, baby.
Lola down's ready.
Say hey to everybody. Say hey, YouTube. Show them what you got. What you got?
I got a question.
Okay, what's your question?
You can't see it.
Okay.
Follow me, Uncle Jaden.
Okay, where are we going?
We're going to my birthday table.
Your birthday table?
Yeah.
It's not even your birthday yet. How old are you now? What is that?
It's my new.
Is it your birthday celebration?
Wanna eat chicken, baby?
No thanks.
Hey, show them your dress real quick, cause it's a pretty dress.
Yes, there.
Come here.
Okay.
Come here. Stand right here. Show me your pretty dress. What the? What's up, buddy? David. David, look at me, bro. Say what's up.
What's up?
What's the Cebuano word I taught you today? It starts with an H.
Hello.
Yeah. So what do you do? What do you do with the finger?
Put it on someone's mouth if they're very loud.
No, show me. Show me. Wait, what do you say?
Hello.
What are you doing over there, Missy? Ooh, is that a ballerina?
No, I'm a princess.
Oh, you're a princess. My bad. Here, hold this, and then take a video of them playing mahjong. Okay, hold it. Go over there. Hold it, and then hey, everybody. Go. Hold it, because it's heavy. Wait. Hey, I just got out the gym. Do you see me?
Yeah.
Hey! Gotcha. Where are you going?
Baby.
Hey. Where are you going? Come back. What is that?
I believe.
What does it say? Do you know how to read yet or no? No. Hey, who's that right there? Who's that in the back? The one with the hat. Who's that? The one in the picture.
Daddy.
What's your dad's name?
Mario.
What?
Mario. Baby.
Hey, David. Oh my God, baby is annoying me. I can't. Her voice. What do you do? Good job, buddy. Give me some. Dap me up. You remember our dap up? Dap me up. 2, 3. Yes, sir. Oh my God, baby, your voice is annoying me.
Got you.
Hey.
Got you. Eat him. You're breaking my balloon. I'm not.
Hello. When you're being
You're
with
breaking my
somebody,
balloon.
just
You
say hello.
stole my piano.
Hey, oh, baby, come here. They want to know what you got. Come here. What are you doing tomorrow? Tell them.
Birthday party.
No, tomorrow. Where are you going?
Disneyland.
Wow.
Are you
Can I
going to
go?
a cruise ship?
Can I go with you? Can I go with you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Hey guys, I'm going to the cruise. Not Natalia.
I want to.
I'm going.
Okay, I will turn you into a bad guy.
Okay, I'm a bad guy now. Natalia is not going to the cruise.
Everybody make Uncle Jaden a princess.
I can't be a princess.
Everybody make Uncle Jaden a sister.
Hey, I'm a sister. I'm your sister.
Make Uncle Jaden a TV.
What are you talking about?
A TV.
Bro, she's too loud, bro.
Everybody make a TV.
Hey. Hey, bro, she's too loud for me, bro.
Okay, sure.
She's too loud, bro.
Okay, sure.
She's too loud, bro. Get her, bro. Get her, bro. Get her.
You're trapped now. Eat them.
Who do you love, mommy or daddy?
Mommy.
What? How about you, buddy? Mommy or daddy?
Mommy and daddy.
Good job. Mommy or daddy?
Mommy and daddy. Mommy. Oh no, I gotta get.
Just mommy? How about daddy?
No.
What the?
Daddy's ugly.
What? I'm gonna tell your dad.
I want daddy. Said she doesn't even like you one bit. I like daddy.
Do you love mommy or daddy?
Daddy and mommy.
Good job. Good answer. Do you love mommy? Who's your favorite uncle? Say Uncle Jaden.
Uncle Dion.
Good job. Who's your favorite uncle, buddy?
Uncle Jaden, Uncle Xander, Uncle Dion.
No. Just say Uncle Jaden. I'm just joking. Good job. Here you go. Give me some.
Uncle Jaden, Uncle Dion, and Uncle Jaden.
What? There's still Uncle Jaden. What the world? This girl was just playing on the Switch. And suddenly, she started laying down on my lap and sleep. Alright, tell everybody what you've done while I was gone.
I was trying to make Spider-Man get killed, and I'm the bad guy.
What, bro? Let's pause this real quick. Alright, tell them, explain to them what you got going on over here.
I'm making some landmines in a trap so I can kill Spider-Man.
Why do you want to kill Spider-Man?
Because I'm a bad guy.
Are you a bad guy?
Yeah, I'm just pretending I'm the bad guy.
Okay.
Man.
That's nice, buddy. Are you a genius? Yeah.
Produce, mix, master, engineer, written by me.